Hello and welcome to another shave review video. Today I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be using some fairly new things here. A couple things I got from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements yesterday. One of the things that I have already used is the CAD shampoo and conditioner puck. And guys, if you haven't gotten a shampoo conditioner puck from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, you probably should. I had my apprehensions because I'm so used to using the stuff in a bottle. I've been using Crew and Everyman Jack, stuff like that, but you will definitely be impressed if you get one of these pucks. I mean, they are fantastic. Your hair is literally squeaky clean whenever you're done washing it, and I just got done doing that, and hair feels great, smells great. It's just a great product. So I got to use that first thing today. I will be doing a shave today, and I also got another new thing in the mail from them. It's called the Prickly Pear Preshave Star Jelly. Whenever you open this up, here's kind of what it looks like here. And if you ever have gotten a really bad sunburn, it kind of smells like that green or blue stuff like you get from Walmart or Walgreens, whatever. But that's pretty much what this smells like. And this is the mentholated version, so I'm sure it's going to have a nice, cool feeling when it's put on. But man, it does smell great, and I'm sure its performance is great too. So I'm looking forward to trying that out today. And for my shaving soap today, we're going to be using the Stirling Soap Company Barbershop. And of course, like the label says, this is a very nice barbershop scent. It's almost a fruity, on the fruity side of it, kind of powdery, but more fruity. It almost smells like it has a little bit of pineapple in it almost. But this is a great smelling soap. Looking forward to using that today. And this is a tallow-based soap as well. And along with the soap, I will be using the matching aftershave splash, the barbershop scent with menthol. So lots of cool stuff today. Well, without further ado, I'm going to get started. I'm going to wet my face. Oh, razor for today. Rex Ambassador, Gillette 7 o'clock blade, the black label. And of course, my trusty West Coast shaving infinity brush with the 26mm synthetic knot. Alrighty, I'm going to get started. I'm going to apply some of this Prickly Pear Star Jelly here and see what this is all about. Okay, that's kind of the consistency there. Whoop, finger out of nowhere. All right, here we go. And I'm sure some of you saw my post. It was on Rich Man Shaving Facebook page about chasing the BBS. Through trial and error, as I said, I think I'm going to discontinue trying to chase after BBS, because I have, the other night I used a slant razor with a feather blade, and man, that was stupid. I should have knew better than that. But, you know, you live and you learn, I guess, and it won't happen again. I'll probably use the slant again, and it'll just be with a very more softer blade than a feather. Because I'm sure all of you know feathers are very aggressive. All right, man, this stuff feels great right now. I wonder if this stuff will work on sunburn. It very well might. Okay. Get my soap container open here. This is what the soap looks like. And it is a crope leaning towards the cream side, I believe. All right. And synthetic brushes, I'm sure most of you know, you don't really need to soak these. Just put some warm water on them. Give them a few shakes. And I'm going to load my brush right from the tub today. I have a few other Stirling soaps that I haven't used in quite a while. I have lemon chill and orange chill. And both of those are great. They're great for a summer day, hot summer day. All right, this Stirling soap lathers up very nice too. Okay, I'd say we've got enough there. I'm gonna put this down and go ahead and apply it to my face. A little bit of water. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that lather. That looks great. Feels great. All right, still got plenty more passes. All right. Whew, got some cleanup to do right here, don't I? There we go. Take a wet my razor here, and I'm on a setting 3 right now. I might have to dial it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and dial it up to a 4. All right, here we go. Countdown continues for Big Shaves West. I think we're down below 40 now. Blade is very nice. All right, get over. Today is my day off work today, and just staying home getting some laundry done. Man, this Star Jelly is awesome. It's super slick, and this is probably one of the smoothest shaves that I've had in a while. Let the razor do all the work and let the weight do its thing. And that was a pretty good first pass. I'm going to go for a second. All right, here we go. Lather up for a second pass. Very nice shave today. Feel nice and relaxed. This is what it's all about. Trying to get smooth, but not too smooth. There we go. And also something else I've been trying as well are Soap Commander. How they started out was bath soap. I'm sure that many of you know. And their Endurance scented soap is probably my favorite right now. I've tried a couple. I've tried the, I think it's called the Vision. And yeah, it's the Vision. The blue one, the mentholy, amber, mint, and something else is in it. But that wasn't one of my favorites, but it was a good performing soap. But the Endurance is a nice older, old-timey kind of scent. It's just a really nice scent for a soap. But if any of you have apprehensions about buying natural soaps from the shaving soap artisans that you deal with all the time, my suggestion is to take a leap of faith and try it for yourself. I had my apprehensions as well because, I thought, well, their shaving soap's good, but I don't know what you can't make judgments like that at all until you try it. And man, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, the shampoo puck, who knew? I mean, it's a great product. It's fantastic. And pre-shaves, bar soaps, everything, give them a try. And you won't break the bank buying these products either. Sorry about that, guys. Telemarketer call. Go figure. Oh, man. Trying to be extra careful with this side because the other night, this is the side that I butchered pretty bad. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Neck hair grows very weird. And I think I finally figured out my neck a little bit better. Especially after the other night trying to navigate around. That's pretty smooth right there. All right. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more cream on my face to get some cleanup spots here. my chin, especially, and around here. Okay, let's give this another. Well, boys and girls, I think we're going to stop there. I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my face here. That was very, very nice. All right. Okay. Go ahead with the aftershave. Well, actually, let's do some witch hazel first. I always like to top it up, put a little layer of protection on there. See if we got anything going on. Okay. All right. Now let's go after this aftershave. Man, I can't wait. This has menthol in it. I bet this is gonna feel good. Okay. Here we go. A little bit of a burn. But man, that was a great shave though. All right, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you next time. Have a great shave.